Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely looking SAT FR, absolutely stunning looking car with a host of extras as well. Drives really lovely, featuring beautiful red metallic. It's got the diamond cut black alloy wheels, all in lovely condition, stunning looking. You've got the privacy glass to the rear park distance control, twin exhaust being the FR with the FR body styling kit. Really is in lovely condition. Boot area is lovely. It's got the FR interior, electric windows, mirrors. Very low mileage as well. This having covered 37,287 miles. It's got active cruise control, auto headlights, satellite navigation, all the apps on this one. There you go. I don't know what any of those do, but I presume it's Bluetooth, full link, media pack, DAB, AUX, USB, air conditioning. Different driving modes on this car as well. It really is lovely. Don't see many of these. DJH got full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you. Bye bye.